G. So, good evening, guys. We are doing exercise of chemical bonding. Up to 36 we have done. Now, question number 37. Write the significance of plus and minus sign in representing the orbitals. So, tell me, what is the answer? What is the significance of plus and minus sign? Okay, Mansi, Abhay, Siddharth, Sakshi, Vaidehi, Anika, Namita, good evening all. So tell me, what is the significance of plus and minus sign in representing the orbitals? Like p orbital, in p orbital plus and minus. What is the significance of these plus and minus sign in representing the orbitals? We have done that part. In dxy xy x into y plus 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 minus 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 plus and plus minus minus. So what is the significance of these? Yes, first. Anybody? So actually this plus and minus sign has no relation with the charge they represent. Yes, I want to get reply from you all. Yes, anybody who can answer this question? Significance of plus and minus sign. Nobody turned up. Beta, plus and minus sign represent, because you know it is just like a wave, electron wave. So plus represents crest of the wave and minus represent trough, because electron is considered as a wave. So plus sign, or you can write PLUS, crest of wave, electron wave, and minus sign represent trough of wave. Nobody replied why. We have done this question before. So got it? Any doubt? Okay, sorry, it is not visible in the chat box. Okay, electron wave, very good. And addition and subtraction of wave function. It is very good, Vaidehi. Vaidehi wrote it right, that electron जो है is considered as a wave. So plus sign in the orbital represent the crest of the electron wave, and minus sign represent the trough of the wave, like this. sea crust trough. Okay, so this is question number 37. Now, question number 38. In 38, question is describe. We have already done this part, but I want to get reply from you all people. Describe the hybridization in case of PCl5 and why are axial bonds are longer than that of equatorial bonds. Yes. Okay, Sumant Reddy. Yes, Sumant Reddy. Okay, Abhishek, I know you are busy nowadays in attending marriage or some function. I know it's okay. So tell me, describe the hybridization in case of PCl5 and why our axial bonds are longer than that of equatorial bonds. First tell me, what is the hybridization of PCl5? What is the hybridization of PCl5? Yes, anybody? Very good. Namita, it is not sp3, actually it is sp3d. Okay, very good. Because you know, when we talk about PCl5, there are 5 bond pairs and phosphorus has how many valence electrons? 5 only. So all the 5 are used by chlorine. So there is no lone pair. So total electron pairs are 5 which are utilized. So hybridization is sp3d. Very good, Anika. sp3d. Okay, because total 5. So 1s, 3p and 1d. So total becomes 5. Okay. Now you can describe it because we have done it in the conceptual part, right? Now why axial bonds are longer than equatorial bonds? You know, it is trigonal bipyramidal. Arrangement is trigonal bipyramidal. So why axial bonds are longer than equatorial bonds? Tell me. We have done it. Why axial bonds are longer than equatorial bonds? I'll explain it by using bond angles, and then I told you all that. Please write few words about that. Very good. Repulsion on axial bonds is more than that of equatorial bonds because you know in equatorial angle is 120 degree, in axial angle is 180 degree, and in equatorial axial angle is 90 degree. So this is considered for repulsions because you know there is 120 degree repulsion, 180 degree repulsion, 90 degree repulsion. So closest one are equatorial to axial. So we consider only this part. So when we look at the structure, you came to know that axial bonds have 3 equatorial bonds at 90 degree, but equatorial bonds have only 2 axial bonds at 90 degree. So repulsion on axial bonds is more than on equatorial bonds. So axial bonds are longer than equatorial bonds. Simple, repulsion on axial bonds is more than on equatorial bonds. That's why axial bonds are longer than equatorial bonds. Right? Now question number 39. Define hydrogen bond and is it weaker or stronger than the van der Waals forces? Yes, this part also we have covered. Even in states matter, this part is there. Intermolecular forces. On first lecture only of states of matter. Define hydrogen bond. And last topic of this chapter. Axial bonds are longer than equatorial bonds on account of greater repulsion on the axial bonds. Very good, Mansi, Namita, Sumant Reddy, great. So tell me, what is hydrogen bond? Hydrogen bond is the bond between hydrogen of one molecule and a atom which is small in size and highly electronegative of the other atom. So partially negative, partial positive, partially positive, partial negative. So this is called hydrogen bond. This is a special case of dipole-dipole attraction. Hydrogen bond is a special type of dipole-dipole attraction where one of the atom is always hydrogen which interact with other atom of the same molecule or different molecule. See, like we have orthonitrophenol. So they form hydrogen bond, intramolecular hydrogen bond, right? So hydrogen of one molecule and other atom of the same molecule or different molecule, when they interact, it leads to the hydrogen bond, and the atom which satisfy the conditions of small in size and highly electronegative are, yes, tell me which atoms satisfy these conditions? Small in size and highly electronegative. These conditions are satisfied by atoms. Name those atoms. Ralam, wrong. It is satisfied by 3 atoms. Phone, F-O-N. I have already told you. Keep in mind phone, not P-H-O-N-E. Phone, F-O-N. Abhay, right. But Ralam, Namita, Siddharth, carbon family will not form hydrogen bond at all. Can never form. Because atoms should be small in size and should be highly electronegative. So they should be extreme, right? Like group 17. Okay. But only second period elements, they are smallest in size. Though, say, nitrogen and chlorine both have same electronegativity. But nitrogen will form hydrogen bond because of the small size, but chlorine will not form. Okay. So these three elements form hydrogen bond. Okay. So it is a special type of dipole-dipole attraction where one atom is hydrogen and other atom of the same molecule or different molecule is such which is small in size and is highly electronegative, and these two conditions are satisfied by three elements of second period. Those are FON, fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen. Okay, now second question, is it weaker or stronger than van der Waals forces? So obviously van der Waals forces are weak forces, though there are dipole-dipole attraction is also van der Waals. Dipole-dipole interaction is also van der Waals attraction, but it is above all this. Hydrogen bond is stronger, it is also not a true type of bond. It is also just an interaction. Siddharth right, hydrogen bond is a bond, van der Waals attraction is not a bond. All of them, they are not true type of bonds. Okay, but hydrogen bond is stronger than any van der Waals attraction. So you should write that hydrogen bond is always stronger than any type of van der Waals forces of comparable molecular masses. Say, I am using the word of comparable molecular masses. Why I am using this word? I will write the statement. Hydrogen bond is stronger than that of van der Waals forces between the molecules of comparable molecular Why I am writing comparable molecular masses? Because if molecular mass goes on increasing, then maybe van der Waals attractions are stronger than hydrogen bonding. Okay, but if molecular mass is comparable, size is almost similar. So in that case, hydrogen bond is always stronger than that of van der Waals forces. Yes, any doubt up to this? We are going towards the last question now. Any doubt, please do ask. Oh, Atul, good evening. How are you? Okay, so let us do the last question of this chapter, that is chemical bonding. What is meant by the term bond order? Calculate the bond order of N2O2, N2O2, O2 negative and O2, 2 negative. Yes, I'm good and thank you. Exam idea I will definitely uh, do once the syllabus is complete. Okay. Actually, I'm trying to complete the exercise questions first, concept along with exercise questions, because that is usually asked in the questions, the exams. Okay. Thank you for your guidance. Okay, so tell me, what is meant by bond order? What is bond order? Bond order. What is that? It is Harshad Lukum. Oh my God. Average distance of bonds, difference of bond. Okay, I'm not talking about the definition. It is simply the number of bonds between two atoms. Bond order is simply the number of bonds between two atoms. Is it right? According to molecular orbital theory, to calculate the bond order, formula used is the that is given by you. Okay. Formula used is number of bonds minus number of bonding electrons minus anti-bonding electrons divided by 2. This is actually the formula used. But in actual practice, what is bond order? That is Nb is number of bonding electrons minus Na is number of anti-bonding electrons divided by 2. So bond order is actually, if it comes out to be 2, that means there are 2 bonds between 2 atoms. If bond order comes out to be 3, that means there are 3 bonds between 2 atoms. Am I right? Ralam, Namita, right? Ha, Atul, you are right. See, NCERT exercise is very, very important for 11th and 12th both. Okay, so now N2. What is bond order of N2? Will you go through that shortcut that I have given in the video? Very good. Shortcut is step 1. I will write once again that step 1 is count number of p electrons. Step 2, first 6 up to first 6 are in bonding and rest are in anti-bonding, remaining all. So then you can calculate easily bond order, the same formula, just apply the formula. That's it. Okay. So first is N2, then O2, O2 negative, O2, 2 negative. So in N2, if we talk about nitrogen, nitrogen is 1s2, 2s2, and 2p3. Keep in mind this formula is applicable for p block elements only. Okay. So in N2 there are total 6 electrodes. All the 6 are in bonding. There is no need to write MOT, molecular orbital electronic configuration. There is no need. Okay. So total 6. First 6 are in bonding. So no electron is in anti-bonding. So bond order comes out to be 3. Very good, Namita. In O, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. To total 4 plus 4, 8. Out of 8, first 6 are in bonding. So remaining 2 are in anti-bonding. So bond order comes out to be 2. In O2 negative, again 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1. 1 negative. So plus 1 means total 9. Out of 9, 6 are in bonding, 3 are in anti-bonding. So bond order is 1.5. And O2 2 negative, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2. 2 negative means 2 electrons are gained. So total 10. Out of 10, 6 are in bonding. So remaining 4 are in anti-bonding. So bond order comes out to be 1.0. So these are the bond orders of N2, O2, O2 negative and O2, 2 negative. So that's all about the NCERT exercise of chemical bonding. We have completed it today. Now let us do one question from NEET exam. We will complete second, third and fourth chapter and NEET and JEE questions. Okay. Now I have vacation for 11 days around. Okay. So in those days, I will try to complete NEET and JEE previous year questions with their explanation of structure of atom, periodicity in properties and chemical bonding or even states of matter. Okay, so question is of NEET 2016, sorry 2017. So question is, which one of the following pairs of species, which one of the following pairs of species have the same of bond order? Option A, CONO, B, O2 NO positive, C, Cn negative CO, and D, N2 and O2 negative. These are the options. So tell me which option is correct. Yes, question for you. NEET 2017. Which of the following pairs of species have the same bond order? CONO, O2 NO positive, Cn negative CO, or N2 O2 negative? Siddharth, option B. Harshad Lukum, option C. I think option C. I will go with option C. See, you can do it by two methods. First method is, keep in mind, I will write the statement. Iso, okay, I will start from this side. Isoelectronic species have the same bond order. Okay, so first try to find the isoelectronic species if they are there. See, in this case, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, oxygen, they are not isoelectronic. Isoelectronic means having same number of electrons. O2, 8 plus 8, 7 plus 8 minus 1. But here, carbon, Cn negative. So, in A option, carbon and oxygen means 6 plus 8. NO, 7 plus 8 are not isoelectronic. Okay. B, O2 NO positive. So O2, 8 plus 8, 16, 7 plus 8 minus 1, 14. Again, not isoelectronic. C, Cn negative, 6 plus 7 and minus means plus 1, 14. CO, 6 plus 8, 14. That means they are isoelectronic. So this, they have same bond order. And D, N2 O2 negative, 7 plus 7, 14, 8 plus 8 plus 1, 17. So means C option is correct. This is the first method. Second method is, go for p electrons and count bond order for all. Okay, so if you go on counting, see CO and C, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 2. Nitrogen, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Oxygen, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Just see the p electron because all the elements are of p block. So first is CO and what was that? CO and NO. So in CO, carbon is p electrons 2, oxygen 4, total 6. So first 6 are in bonding only. 6 minus 0 over 2 means 3. NO, total electrons 3 plus 4, 7. So out of 7, first 6 are in bonding, 1 is in anti-bonding. So 2.5. So in B is O2 and NO positive. So in O2, 4 plus 4, 8. Out of 8, 6 are in bonding, 2 remaining 2 are in anti-bonding. So bond order is 2 and 2 positive. 3 plus 3, 6 minus 1. So 5 up to 6 are in bonding only. So all are in bonding is this one. Okay. Cn negative and Cn negative. And C carbon 2 electrons, nitrogen 3. So 3 plus 2, 5 and minus 1 means 1 is added. So total 6. Here again 2 plus 4, 6. So both have 3 bond order. For D, it was N2. We have already calculated for N2. No. N2 and O2 negative. So N2, 3 plus 3, 6. And for O2, negative 6. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. So 6 minus 3 by 2. That's it. Okay. So I will send each question, one question daily. Okay. I'm sending. But you people, only 2 people have attempted today. 2 or 3, I think. Vedehi and yes, honestly tell me, who have attempted today's questions? Tell me. Just write, yes, I have attempted, or just write, yes, those who have attempted today's question. Okay. Okay, Mansi, Vedehi. Well, only 2? See, I will generate the result at the end of each month and I will send to your parents. Anika, okay, great. And what about the others? जय माता दी. गाय हमारी माता है. आगे बेटा ऐसे नहीं चलेगा, ठीक है. बी सीरियस. It is for you only. Okay, so that next time onwards, please do care about this. Okay, I will send only one question, and it hardly take more than 5 minutes. Okay, it's okay. It is starting, but see, if we do one question every day, means MCQ, then I think we will do almost 100 questions, more than 100 questions at the end of the session. Anyhow, and now I think we have only today's lecture is only of 45 minutes, but say in the states of matter, all the topics except few I have recorded. So I am sending you every day almost 50 minutes or 40 minutes videos that you will see, and even exercise is solved. except one question number 16, I think. Okay, so that I will do with you, question number 16. But before that, you will complete the exercise part. Okay, I send you more videos today. Okay, so nice talking to you. So I'm signing off now. Bye bye. Okay. Okay, bye beta. Okay. Okay, Anika, Mansi, Sakshi, Vedehi, Siddharth, Namita, bye bye to all.